How to simply cook a single corn on the cob, boiling in water using microwave. So just pour hot water into the plastic tub, about nearly all the way to the top. Chuck the lid on, don't shut it fully, just leave it so that there's a gap. Place in microwave. As it's already boiled, hot water, place in microwave, and I'm going to do it for 3 minutes. I'm going to do it for 4 minutes, but not on full power. I'm going to do it on 30% power. And do that for 4 minutes. And let's see what the results like. Alright, let's have a look. It's been like nearly 2 minutes in there so far. So let's put it on. Let's just open it up for the moment. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's looking alright at the moment. So only another minute to go. I'm going to put the video back on pause. Right, so we've got a few seconds to go. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, that's looking hot. Alright, everyone be careful if you're opening and it's steaming. Alright. And there we go. Simple as that. One cooked corn on the cob, done in the microwave. Easy as that. And I would show you me eating it, but I could do that another time. So, if you're lazy and can't be bothered to do it on a saucepan, fire up the cooker and all that, straight in the plastic tub, hot water in the tub, put it in the microwave, and there you go, corn on the cob done. See you, everybody.